Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get set up with the UbiOps Command Line Interface, or CLI, so that you can manage your deployments straight from a terminal. Let's get started. The UbiOps Command Line Interface allows you to create and manage your deployments, code environments, pipelines, and more from a terminal. Managing your deployed code from a command line can be particularly useful for remote access, automation, or CI/CD pipelines. We'll be following the UbiOps GitHub Quickstart guide for this video, and you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's take a quick look at what we'll be deploying. Let's begin. First things first, you'll need to install the UbiOps CLI. Open your terminal and use pip to install it. Once installed, you can confirm it's set up correctly with the UbiOps version command. Now to interact with UbiOps, you'll need to sign in. You can do this either with your email and password or an API token. We're going to use an API token. Use the UbiOps sign-in command followed by your token. You can also check your sign-in status with the UbiOps status command. Next, let's manage your projects. If you have more than one project, you can set the current project and check it's correct. To do this, use the UbiOps cprj get command. Now let's set up a deployment. First, create a deployment configuration file. Here's an example YAML for a simple deployment. Save this as example-deployment.yaml and use the UbiOps dpl create command specifying the YAML file location and file format to create the deployment using that file. Next, let's deploy the code. Prepare a deployment version YAML file like this. Then, create and upload the deployment version with the UbiOps dpl deploy command, specifying the deployment package directory and YAML file location. If you like, you can check if a deployment version has finished building with the UbiOps versions wait command and stream logs to your terminal. Once your deployment is live, you can start making requests. Here's how you send a request to your deployment. Use the UbiOps dpl request create command and provide the deployment name and version along with your input. Next up, maybe you want to set up a pipeline. First, let's duplicate the deployment we created just now. And we're going to build a pipeline that runs data through those two deployments sequentially. Here's an example YAML configuration for that pipeline. You can save that in a YAML file. Then use that file to create the pipeline and its versions with these commands. UbiOps ppl create to create the pipeline, and UbiOps pversions create to create the pipeline version. When that's done, you're ready to send requests to your pipeline. All you need is the UbiOps ppl request create command, your pipeline name and version, and an input. With the UbiOps CLI, you can also delete objects. Here, we're deleting our pipeline and deployments with the UbiOps ppl delete and UbiOps dpl delete commands. Then, we use UbiOps signout to close our connection to the client. And that's a wrap on our UbiOps CLI Quick Start. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Or feel free to drop any questions and suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video.